Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna share with you how to check your switch whether it can be jailbreak or not. So before you try anything to jailbreak your switch, you better watch this video until the end.
Till I can't no more. I got the horses in the bag. Horse stock is
First we go to the website ismyswitchpatch.com. There's two columns, prefix and serial digits, where you can find it on the bottom of your switch console. So in my case it is XAW1 followed by the next 6 digits 0 1 2 4 0 1. So unfortunately for me, my switch is already patched by Nintendo, so I cannot do anything to jailbreak it. There is a possible and high risk of breaking my console, so better you check yours. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more video. Thank you.